Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. So go ahead and open your TikTok app, then go to profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines at the top right, then settings and privacy. Then I want you to scroll it down, then go to report a problem. Now here you just wait for a few seconds. And then you need to tap on account profile and then wait for a few seconds, then tap on editing profile, and then you need to tap on other, and then as you can see right here, scroll it down at the bottom and tap on need more help. So tap on that option. So as you can see here, now you can type, please help me to unfollow everyone on TikTok account. So we will have to wait for a few days and hopefully the TikTok team will unfollow everyone that you followed on your account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.